Hello world. How you beautiful people doing today? It's Wednesday. Good morning, Saya. Good morning, Zazu. Checking in with the morning report. Fire away. So what are we doing today? This is paper towel. This is rubbing alcohol. And what are we doing today? We're gonna clean up PlayStation 2 today. Okay. The PlayStation 2 is fully backwards compatible with PlayStation 1, and it can play DVD movies. And this PlayStation 2 comes with the network adapter, right? So, plus the seal hasn't been broken, so this PlayStation 2 is in good shape. Good shape. So we're gonna clean this PlayStation 2 today. Okay. This PlayStation 2 is gonna get the star treatment. All right, let's do this. So, paper towel. See, some console has value to it, so take care of your console. Never clean these consoles with steel wool, Brillo pads, or scrub pads. All you need is this, and a can of air, to spray the system out. Anyway, so we're going to douse him. Douse the PlayStation a day. All right, there you go. And we're going to start cleaning them. We'll clean the PlayStation 2. Okay. Clean the PlayStation 2 with rubbing alcohol. Oh yeah. This PlayStation 2 is in good shape. The system has a lot of games for it. PlayStation 2, and then you have a lot of PlayStation 1 games that you can play. Okay, so you use a can of air to clean a can of air to blow the system out. Okay, and this is a good console. Has a lot of games to play. A lot, and if you get it modded, you can play Japanese games. Games that never made it to the States. So this is a network adapter, and this is the okay. Oh, wait, one more. Click it. Turn it one more time. Okay, that's the network adapter, and we're gonna clean them off too. Okay. Put some alcohol. Yep. Clean your PlayStation 2 off. Alright, so this is a network adapter. And this is a IDE hard drive, 27 pin. This is a 120 gig hard drive. We're going to stick it on this. Oops, where you at? Oops. And there you go. So this is a 120 gigs hard drive. 120 gigs. And IDE. And we're going to stick this on the PlayStation 2. So now you have 120 gigs in your fat PlayStation 2. I think that's the max it can go up to. I think it's the max. So we're gonna screw this back together. Okay. And ta-da! So now you have a 120 gig hard drive in your fat PlayStation 2. Okay. And the reason I say use a can of air is to push the when you take this thing off, you would take the can of air and spray the system out, and then spray it out through here. Okay. And then, oops, drop that for a minute. And now your PlayStation is in good condition. So we're going to clean off the controllers too. This is a PlayStation controller. Okay. A little bit more in here. Okay. Because your controller has germs on it. You use them, so you should clean them off. PlayStation controller, PlayStation 2 controller, that is. And the PlayStation 2 was the first console with a DVD player. First console, the first. Goodbye videotapes. The PlayStation 2 killed you. So yeah, PlayStation 2 was on a rampage. So yeah, you clean your controllers off with rubbing alcohol. Yep, that's one. And if you want to take it a step further with these PlayStation controllers, since you're cleaning it off, you can go like this. Whoops. Whoops. And clean. Whoops. This cord is long. Just like the Xbox, the original Xbox. See all that dirt? Look at that. See all that dirt? That's off the controller alone. See? Alright. And clean this off. Yep. And do this one too. Yeah, PlayStation 2 is getting the star treatment today. So anyway, yeah, PlayStation 2 has a lot of games. So does the PlayStation 1. You know, even in Japan, there's games on PlayStation 1 and 2 that never made it to the States. So yeah, the PlayStation 2 is good. So I'm gonna put a little bit more, clean this one down. Oh. Rubbing alcohol. And we're gonna clean off the controllers. Bacteria, germs. Clean off the controllers. Clean off the controllers. Okay. Most people don't clean their controllers. They just continue using them. Okay. So, go clean the cord. Watch this. When I get through with this, you're gonna be shocked. Like, I didn't know my wires was that dirty. Look at that. See that? That's from the wires. So yeah. PlayStation 2 is cleaned. So we're gonna roll the controllers back up. Roll the controllers back up. And then we're gonna clean the memory cards too. Okay? Oh yeah. That's getting the PlayStation 2 is getting the star treatment today. Okay. So you have see? Your PlayStation is cleaned. Now next one. PlayStation 2 is getting the star treatment. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, whoops. Whoops. Yep, cleaning your PlayStation 2 in 2021. That's the title of this video. So yes, your PlayStation 2 is getting the star treatment. See, this console has never been tampered with. There's one controller. And whoops. And whoops. And there go our controller number 2. See? Now your PlayStation is cleaned. But there's only one more piece to the puzzle. Memory cards. Here we go. Memory cards. So, the PlayStation 2, the memory cards is getting PlayStation 2 memory card. Memory cards is getting the star treatment. So we have 120 gigs in this PlayStation 2, plus 2 memory cards. That's 1, and that's 2. So now you have a clean PlayStation. And this video is called Cleaning Your PlayStation 2 in 2021. Okay. Anyway, nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek thing. The board, the dark side. I'm gone. Peace. And there you go.